The first stock I'm going to discuss with you, UMAC, unusual machine. Why? And what price we buying? This is more important. First thing, if you will say news, unusual machine price target maintained with $20 per share by one. Let me go to my Discord channel. This is my channel. So I put my strategies, when I'm buying something, I'm selling, and what I'm predicting of according to the chart analysis I posted here. If you want to have access those strategies, you can join the link below. Is a free, and my Discord, and below the YouTube channel you will see a link of Discord channel. And why? So if I go to here, you go to some news, and this is my favorite channel. Big tech earnings, Fed rate cut, Trump Xi Jinping showdown, the packed week with potential pivot point for the world's trade tension. Second, Junior linked, drone company wins Pentagon contract, unusual machine secure deal as US military accelerate domestic productions of unmanned aircraft. So if you will see, you and may see, I give you these talks, give you on September 22nd. So when, as you see the screens, so this is the way we do chart analysis. September 26th, we give a price range. Let me see what we give in September. Okay, reversal entry 2020, 2040, breakout 1465, 1475, and deep dip $11 and 960. So if you will see here, let's go back. This is we give this you in the community on September 22. When we were September, this is October, daily chart. On September, we were right here. When the price was $12.75, we give this whole strategy, even deep dip entry and price targets. $11, it go back here. So same strategy. I want to make sure the strategies work. Like we give here, and predicting $9.60 price is possible, and it exactly happened yesterday, 2 days ago, on Friday and Thursday. So this is parallel channel. Trend is uptrend. Our strategy is to teach you guys as simple as anyone high school level student can understand. So if I will ask you guys, whenever price hit this line 1, 2, go up, come back, hit here, go up, and come here very close this line right now, didn't hit, but what is the expectations right here? Isn't that amazing? If you know already, it's so fun, so entertained when you know where we're going into trading. If I remove this channel, let me remove this channel for you. Where are you going to make entry? No idea. But if we draw a channel, let me draw a channel a different way. Parallel channel from here. Look guys, channel respecting the price. Here, second channel. Look guys, isn't that amazing? So price hit here, go up. Look at this, when this come to this channel, it have a struggle here. It didn't go pass all the way right way. Go here, struggle, come back, try to climb again, come back again. Again, when it come here, it's struggling. You see how many candles? Here's a 1, 2, 3 candles, 4 candle, then go up, then coming back here, come back. Now, where it going? Long term. And if you want to see a 1 year, over here. And 1 point, it should make a double point if the trend will be stay. And now it's $12. In 1 year or maybe less 6 months, it has a potential to go make a double top, $23.61. Then I will sell it. So, but make your risk management, because in the strategy we also posted properly. Risk management. Stop loss 1180, conservative 11, and hard stop loss $9.60, depending on how much you can afford your risk. And I will go hard stop loss 960, and I'll keep going for 6 month call from here and keep going up with the trend, or maybe 1 year call if the call is not too much expensive. Thank you very much for watching, and God bless you. Take care. This is for unusual machine. And if you're still there, like and subscribe the channels. And it's very easy if you, when you do trading with community, with somebody who have a, you can ask questions rather doing trading alone. And thank you. Take care.